Hello, my name is Catherine. I'm going to explain you a little bit about acronyms. Acronyms is a topic very simple to understand because it is like a definition. Acronyms are new words formed from the initial letters of a set of other words. As example can be OMG. As we know, OMG is oh my god. So our OMG are the initial letters of each word. Another example can be B. So example, CRB is the current replacement value. LNA is a local area network. Another RTS, rich text format. Another can be IPO, initial public offer. So as I understand, acronyms is like a template, just the initial letter of different words to make a shorter word.